A common problem on O-Arm systems is the E-stop gets triggered and you can't reset it. Why is that? 99% of the time, the problem is the external pendant jumper, and I can show you how to fix that. If you come down here, you have a pendant jumper, and as you can see, it was barely plugged in. It had come loose. This port is for connecting an external pendant. It's very rarely used, and when it's not used, this jumper has to be plugged in securely in order for the E-stop circuit to function the way it's supposed to. Simply plug it in, secure it with the set screws. On an O1, you'll go to the base of the unit to find this. Back up here, we should now be able to reset the E-stop and carry on.